a broken down shack by the railroad track. A little bitty baby, she goes back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again.
And it's me, Mr. Hippopotamus.
Hey, do you know what day it is?
I don't know. Is it Friday?
Nope, it's not Friday.
Is it Saturday? I'm not sure what day it is. Maybe it's Sunday?
Nope, not Sunday.
Well, what day is it today? I want to know. What's so good about today?
What do you mean you don't know what day it is?
I don't know. Why, is it something special?
Come on, guess.
Let me see. Is it the Queen's birthday?
Nope.
Is it, let's see, I don't know. Tell me what it is.
It's Wayne Renolds Wednesday.
Wayne Renolds Wednesday? Oh my god! Happy Wayne Renolds Wednesday! Woohoo! Wayne Renolds Wednesday! Yeah! Everybody, happy Wayne Renolds Wednesday! Hey, wait a minute. Who the hell's Wayne Renolds?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? It's Wayne Renolds Wednesday and you don't know who the hell he is?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Anyway, have a good day, YouTube. Bye.